Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And today's video, we will be diving into the weekly status of the major indices as we do on every week on Monday. Uh, Analyzing them through the lens of RRG chart, we will also explore the performance trends, potential shift, and what these movements could mean for your investment strategy. Whether you are a seasonal trader or starting out, understanding these dynamics can help you to make more informed decisions, right? For a longer duration or short duration. Um, any discussion on this video is not a buy and sell recommendation, folks. It's just to understand how the RRG chart works and how the rotation of different indices are on the RRG chart, right? So, you can feel free to modify your way of investing style that matches, right? So let's jump right into the RRG chart. Uh, One more thing I want to highlight here is due to the recent fall in the market, some stories are like people are shifting from India to China. All of a sudden, in FI, they are taking out money. FI are taking out money since long from Indian market. So, equity investing is not about just, looking at the different noises. Yeah, you should be aware of things, what is happening, but you shouldn't be worried about, and your India story should not be going out so easily after looking at the development work that is happening in India. So stay focused. Long story short, stay focused. Look at the sectors where you will have more opportunities. Stay invested. That's my personal view. But you can definitely consult your financial advisor, and based on your style, you continue to follow what you like it. And that's my personal suggestion. I see these are like more buying opportunities for me because there is no fun buying everything at the higher price, right? So, if these are the moments and if you have additional fund to deploy, I will personally happy to do that, and I will continue to buy. Otherwise, just sit back and relax and continue to read, study, and these are your moments to buy things which you couldn't able to buy when it ran up so high, right? So with that, let's begin our review on the weekly chart. So just a minute. Let me put it up. So let's put it on Nifty. I will compare with the Nifty 500 on a weekly chart. So let's wait for a few seconds here. Instead. Somebody had requested to view on the other indices as well, other than the major indices that I covered. So let's cover this Nifty IT. Last week we saw that there was a significant reduction in the RS momentum. Now I could see that the RS momentum is stable, but the RS ratio has increased. So RS stands for relative strength. So it is still in the leading quadrant, but very interesting to see if anything that reduces further or it goes up. So Nifty IT is still in leading. Nifty Pharma, slight reduction, not significant reduction in the RS momentum. RS is still good. Nifty Healthcare, the same thing. Slight reduction in the RS momentum, not significant reduction in the RS momentum, but slight reduction, and the RS is still good. Nifty Consumer Durables are still good and leading. I don't see major reduction in anything. Let's look at Nifty FMCG. Yes, Nifty FMCG and Nifty IT, it's almost similar trend. Reduction in the RS momentum, but now the relative strength has increased, but wherein RS momentum is still stable and it is in leading at the moment. Nifty mid cap. Let's look at other indices as well, right? So Nifty mid cap select index, I think it is having a slight reduction in the RS momentum and a slight reduction in the RS as well. Very smaller tail length, which doesn't signify very high movement in terms of RS and RS momentum. Nifty Media, it was headed towards leading, but now I could see a significant reduction in the RS momentum and the RS as well. So we're still in improving. We'll have to keep an eye if it further goes and further goes ahead and get into lagging. Nifty 50, it is in improving with a smaller tail length. Slight improvement in the RS, but not a significant increase in the RS momentum. Nifty 100, very smaller tail length, very stable, not a significant move. Nifty 200 as well. Nifty micro cap, I believe it is in weakening at the moment. Slight, not slight. There is a reduction in the RS momentum and RS ratio. Nifty CPSC, yeah, it is headed towards lagging. Interesting to see if it improves further after getting into lagging to go towards improving. Let's look at Nifty small cap 250. It is in the weakening at the moment with reduction of RS momentum and RS ratio. Nifty mid cap 100, it is in weakening as we can see. Yes, Nifty mid cap 150, yeah, it is also in weakening. Yes, so most of them are in weakening. Nifty PSU Bank, very interesting. Let's see. So no respite, is still in lagging and could see some improvement in the RS momentum, but not a significant improvement in the RS. The relative strength has decreased yet, so it has to go all the way to improving to have better RS momentum and RS ratio. So still lagging. Nifty Metal, very promising at the moment. Significant increase in the RS momentum and RS. So this is a very good setup at the moment. Nifty Reality, it's headed towards improving a significant improvement in the RS momentum, but not a significant improvement in the RS ratio. So anything that goes towards improving towards with the RS momentum, continue with the RS momentum and RS ratio would be very interesting to see. Nifty Bank is having a slight improvements in terms of RS and RS momentum. Nifty Private Bank, the same thing. Nifty Energy, yeah, I tried getting into improving, but it came back to lagging again. So reduction in the RS momentum and an RS ratio. Just a minute, just refreshing. So give me a few seconds. Uh, Let me just go back and put it back. Only indices. So let's look at this. Sorry about that. Let's go back. So Nifty 500 weekly. Let's give a few seconds, folks. Sorry about that. Some time. Uh, okay, this is working fine. Let's put a benchmark Nifty 500. So let me go back to the indices again. It is still loading. And then let's put it only indices. Okay, now I can see it. All right. PSC in lagging. Stay away at the moment. Commodity is still in lagging. Infrastructure is still in lagging. Financial still in lagging. Financial services are, yeah, so Nifty Private Bank, Nifty Bank, and financial services are headed towards improving, but not a significant RS momentum, a slight improvements in the RS ratio. So that's very interesting to see. Oil and gas came back to lagging from leading. So interesting to see if it turn it back to improving and gets into leading. Nifty MNC headed towards improving at the moment with slight improvements in the RS momentum. So this is the overall status of the major indices that we see on the RRG chart. So what is our key takeaway? The key takeaways from this video is Nifty Metal is doing really well. We need to keep an eye on any further improvements in the RS momentum and RS ratio, increase in the RS momentum and RS ratio. Nifty Reality is slightly headed towards improving, but I don't see a significant improvements in the RS. though there is RS momentum, but we need to keep an eye on that. Anything that is going back to uh, leading from weakening, we'll have to see. So Nifty Auto, yeah, it is hovering in the weakening at the moment, not ready to go into lagging at the moment. It tried going into, I mean, there was a slight improvements in the RS momentum, but now I could see reduction in the RS, but there is a slight improvements in the RS momentum. So we'll have to see if we turn it back to leading. So what we need to keep an eye, Nifty IT, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Healthcare are still in leading. And Nifty Consumer Durables are still in leading. And those have become stagnant at the moment. I mean, they are still residing into leading. So we need to keep an eye on that. FMCG as well. Nifty Media. So we need to keep an eye on Nifty IT, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Healthcare, Consumer Durables, Nifty FMCG, and then Nifty Metal. Reality, keep an eye. I don't see significant improvement in the RS, though there is an improvement in the RS momentum. And then Nifty banks, private banks, and financial services are having a slight improvement in the RS momentum, not a significant one. So need to keep an eye on that as well. Anything changes further for Nifty Auto would be very interesting to see. So these are the things, these are the key takeaway from this weekly review. I hope you like this video. Stay focused, keep your emotions check. You don't have to think too much about when you do equity investing. Um the drawdowns are good for our investing because we can buy things which we couldn't able to buy at a cheaper valuation or at a price where we were interested. So stay focused. That's my personal opinion or suggestion, but all of you are intelligent enough to take your own call. So stay focused. Keep learning, keep enhancing your skills, and if anyone is interested to subscribe for the RRG chart through Strike, um, feel free to continue to do so. I will leave a link for the link with the 10% discount, and you can continue to uh, look at that. And have a great week ahead, and keep learning. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.